what's up y'all? So as y'all seen in the title, I decided to take y'all along with me as I clean up my office / game room. Excuse this scarf, I just did not feel like doing my hair. I need to actually take this ponytail down because my hair is just all frizzy and everything. So I just left the scarf on. It kind of goes with the outfit, but the scarf is dirty. I promise you I'm not stepping out the house like this. I just didn't feel like freshening up my ponytail, but I did throw on some earrings for y'all. But as most of y'all know, my husband and I share this room, which is part office and part game room. So this side over here is my office space. I got a little couch going on over here and a little side table and all of this mess. Right here is just a mess. It needs to be wiped down, so I'm gonna grab my handy dandy disinfected wipes and wipe all of this down. I definitely need to wipe down this keyboard. So I got my sis Niyah. Hey girl, shout out to Niyah Brown. That's her YouTube channel. Y'all go check her out. She has a beautiful family. It's her husband, and her daughter Niko. Shout out to Niko because Niko also has a channel. Here's her daughter Niko's channel. She just did a night routine. So her channel name is Niko. Go check out these new and upcoming YouTubers and tell them I sent you. Okay, so that was totally random. I just love shouting people out and supporting them. But anyway, okay, so this is my gamer area here. I love to play video games along with my husband. He's a Star Wars fan. This is his area over here. All right, so let's get this room clean. y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know a lot of y'all like videos like this, so comment down below or thumbs up the video if y'all want me to do more videos like this. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.